Now when we click on this use case diagram, here you can see the various tools associated with it. So first see the use case subject. We can drag a rectangle over here to show the subject. Here you can write here like we have made for book bank. So we can write here book bank or book bank system. This is the subject of our use case diagram. Then one actor I can draw over here, a student, a librarian. Either I make it on the same side or on the other side. I can draw an actor, librarian. Similarly, vendor I can show. So one more actor, vendor. Accordingly, I can, by double clicking, you can rename it. Like I have renamed it as student. Double click, librarian. Then here vendor. Then use case, for this I'll select use case, and for making various use cases even I can log this so that I can simply double click, use case for issue, for return, let's say for search, placing the order, any use cases, whatever use cases we want, and then I'll unlock it. This is extra, so I'll just delete it. First use case, let's say I write here issue book. Second use case, return. Search details. So it's up to you, whatever functions you want to show, you can accordingly name them. Order, or you write update, anything. I'll make a spelling mistake over here, you can correct it. And here, let's say want to make an order, so I'll place here order. Suppose I don't want it, delete. Whatever use cases are extra, I am simply deleting them. Return, issue. You can always align them with shift. I have selected them all, and here using these alignment buttons. Similarly, order or search I want here. Then association. Student is associated with issue of book. Student is associated with return of book. Similarly, librarian associated with issue. Here you can type in that librarian will issue the book. So, suitable messages you can always mention with this flow lines. Librarian can search the details. He'll search the details for the member. He can search the detail for the book. So simply vendor, with the book order I have associated this book order. This is vendor. This is vendor. See, so how a simple use case diagram can be constructed in this star UML. You can make use of these tools wherever you want some, let's say, text box, etc. So under annotations, you will find the various text box, free line, symbols are here. You can make use of them. Basically, elements for the use case diagram is the subject that beside the boundary, then the use case, actor, and for linking them, this association is used. These are the symbols for include and extend. Like with order is placed by check or cash or whatever, suppose I want to extend it. So another use case I can put over here. I can draw like cash payment, or let's say payment is by check. I can use extend to relate it with order. This is also extend. Here I can increase the system boundary. Properly you can align all these within the boundary of the system. Anytime you can adjust it. Even it has a facility of changing colors and all. So you can suppose select it from here, you can change the color. Similarly for the other use cases, you can use colors. Same color you can make for these use cases, and for extend you can make use of different. So it will be more easy to understand. So this way you can change color. You can even change the color of these lines, like line color. When you click on this line color, you can change the color of the lines. You can change the color of the actors. Even you can change the color of the text also. Suppose text I want in some other color, so I select the color. Now this is a very light. Even font, all formatting we can do from here. See, so just to make your use case diagram look attractive, you can make use of this formatting feature. Just not making them to look attractive, more readable, more understandable by the user. It should catch the attention of your user, क्योंकि उसी के लिए आप ये यूज केस डायग्राम बना रहे हो कि आप उसको इस समझाना चाह रहे हैं कि ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर बनेगा उसको कौन कौन यूज़ कर रहा है और किस किस तरह से सिस्टम से वो इंटरेक्ट करेगा. जो भी आप बनाते जाएंगे वो इधर आपको यहाँ पर ये सारा आप मॉडल एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. ये सारे क्या क्या आपने केसेस लिए हैं, किस किस तरह से लाइब्रेरियन है, लाइब्रेरियन के साथ क्या क्या आपने अटैच किया है, वेंडर किस तरह से अटैच्ड है, तो ये सारे लिंक्स आपके यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट यूज केस डायग्राम. आई होप दैट इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू.